Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to add a receipt to Wendy's app. First things first, let us locate the essential scrap of paper. It is nestled amongst the napkins, like a culinary treasure map. Did it take a daring dive into the depths of your fry bag? Don't panic, a thorough excavation should reunite you with your receptual prize. If you are a digital receipts kind of person, make sure you have your Wendy's app set to receive them electronically. Save the rummaging and potential fry-related tragedies. Now, for the tech-savvy amongst us, there is a way to bypass the receipt rodeo altogether. When placing your order in store, you might spot a curious little square on the display, a QR code. This digital passport, when scanned with your trustee's Wendy's app, instantly registers your purchase and awards those precious points. For those who crave adventure, Wendy's website offers a Valiant Rewards receipt submission form. Here you will embark on a quest, wielding the power of information gleaned from your receipt. Channel your inner Indiana Jones and unearth the date from the receipt's hieroglyphics. Think of it as outsmarting booby traps. Was it a pre-launch dash or a post-work refuel? This magical number unlocks the secrets of the specific Wendy's you patronized. Find it amongst the cryptic symbols on the receipt. Consider this key to the treasure chest, a unique identifier for your purchase, the grand prize itself, the total amount you spent minus the tax, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.